يلا I can start.
So, yeah. Once we're ready, let's go. Yo.
قوم في كهرباء ما في المبنى يهز شمال يمين بقلب البيت ما في امان فالعالم على الطريق خوف ووجع مع سكوت سنة بثانية عم بموت الله وحده العالم بالحصل فركدنا على السجود هزت شو مش انفجار تاني خايف افتح عيني لاقي فوقي في مباني وصوت صريخ ولاد مأذي وعي جوات الألم ما حدا انسلم من أول حدث فما بالك من تاني دق اطمن هالمرة كم شهيد بعدك عايش طب فيك تقلي كم واحد ماتوا فيك بين حريق بين غريق بين غلا وتحت الأنقاض بين قاضي وبين جلسة بين عدو وبين صديق.
This is Bilal. He speaks the truth. From all I can tell, he's one of the good guys. When we first met him at an open mic in downtown Beirut, we couldn't understand a single word. Of course, Michael tried hard to translate while sonic syllables were flying faster at him than anyone can think. But regardless of what Bilal was rapping on about, the way he handled himself made it sound important. I just had a hunch about him being a diamond in the rough or whatever, and that's why I approached him.
Yeah, he's good though. I like him. The most actually.
Yes,
he had really meaningful lyrics, right?
Beautiful lyrics, and he's too young.
Yeah.
I think it's 19 or
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Most of the rapper with
He turned out to be 25. A week later, and we finally arranged to meet him. And he insisted on having his bros around. One of which compared me to a certain actor. It's not the first time. The other day I got Ryan Gosling.
Recently we got into a taxi and the taxi driver was like, "Hey, I brought you to the market on Sunday." And I was like, "No, I wasn't here on Sunday."
That's us being racist.
The whole week I was raving on about filming him on a rooftop. So naturally he brought us to the rooftop of his very own house.
Riding with Bilal. What's the name of your neighborhood? Gia. Okay.
Okay, nice one. All right. Okay. So you live here?
Yes.
This doesn't work, no? The elevator? Oh, okay. Of course, there's no electricity. Ah, it's a bullet hole?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Do you live here alone or with your family?
With my family.
Ah, okay. Do you have how many brothers and sisters?
4.
4? Ah, that's the family. Wow, they look beautiful. There we go. Freedom.
This Shia.
This is Al Shia neighborhood. Yeah.
And here is Ain al-Rammani. Different culture, you can say that. Shia are Muslims.
Yeah.
And here are Christians.
That's where the shooting was?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So the song you're gonna perform is about the shooting?
Yes.
Wow.
جيران للمتراس عين الرماني والشياح مثل المي والزيت ما بعمرها بتنخلط منحب بعض كتير وبنكره بعض تذكر آخر نقطة المخفر اوعى تقرب أكتر مع كل ضربة كف وكل زروب تسكر في طالع على المعسم وطي راسه منكر.
Coincidentally, Bilal's house is located right on the former Green Line that divided Muslims and Christians in the Civil War. In October 2021, it became the front line once again, if just for a day.
A Hezbollah protest erupted into the worst violence the country has seen in a decade. People in Beirut ran for their lives as snipers fired in the streets.
Everyone
witnesses.
because it was so loud.
You can hear it and
Yeah.
everything, you know?
Okay.
The violence beginning after supporters of the Iran-backed Hezbollah and an allied group stormed the streets. They are demanding the removal of the popular judge who is investigating last year's port explosion.
Tarek Bitar, for all the wrong reasons, is a highly controversial figure in Lebanese politics.
Judge Tarek Bitar wants to question some of Lebanon's most powerful figures.
He's the lonely white knight challenging the all-powerful ruling elite. He's been pushed back again and again by lawsuits from those he wants to question. He never talks to the press or even appears in public, and there's about 3 pictures of him on the internet. The only incorruptible man in Lebanon, it seems. Bitar is part of a new generation that's neither biased, extremist, nor cares about religion in general. Just like these guys. On paper, 2 of them are Shia and 1 is a Druze that grew up Maronite. But none of that matters. In the end, they're just best friends. At the open mic, there were multiple comedy acts doing jokes about their respective confessions.
He's great at sex.
What the fuck?
Everybody had a laugh, everybody could relate. No one was offended.
Alright, so it's very open, so it doesn't matter which religion you're from, whatever.
This is actually the only place that I've ever been in Lebanon that they never ask about your religion.
What is it called?
It's the Riwaq.
So this is the only place, really? Wow.
Yeah, it's a very weird country. It's a very diverse country, but
that's cool, yeah?
You will always get to a point in a conversation to ask about the religion.
Your dad was a priest, like a Maronite priest, or
Orthodox. Greek Orthodox.
Right.
I mean, it's not a taboo anymore, but it's very sad.
But I feel like people actually talk about it, like in all of the poetry stuff, and like in every second song, it was in there.
Exactly.
And the comedy as well.
We came to a point that we're not offended anymore. Like we know what we're talking about, and it's more jokes than
skin.
Yeah.
The Riwaq is a safe haven for those that think beyond confessional boundaries. Even in 2024, religion and sectarianism continues to shape Lebanon's society long after the civil war. So it's no surprise to hear that the local talent is lured by opportunities elsewhere.
The very sad thing that people leave the country with their talent. Not because they don't have the talent or Lebanon doesn't appreciate their talent, but they have to. And this is how we're losing the talent. It's very hard to be an artist here in Lebanon. It's very hard to share whatever you have.
I guess that's exactly why I think I should show you some of the talents of that evening. And Lebanon has indeed got some talent.
I feel like I won't be able to speak, but I will try my best. My period cramps. Oh god.
Okay, so I wrote this song about like a lot of issues that happened, and it's a true story about pills and stuff.
He's a rapper. And here in Lebanon, we're all judgmental. We judge everything.
I noticed that actually.
Yeah, we judge everything. But we are very like sweet people, good people, but we judge everything.
I once couldn't recall my name.
Artificial amateurs, aren't it all amazing? Analytically, I assault animate things. Broken
أهلي فيك بتجمع الفقراء ونسمع مع السيارات فبتطلع بالباص الأخضر ما اتكس الحمص بالصولات الدار.
Your mind, our mind, my mind is puking it all out. What? You looked into my heart. I'm hiding in my shell.
But I heard there was this place that gave people pills.
My mother was a tailor.
Twirlers, I got a quarter of a week out of really raw raps. Rising up rapidly, rise and rush radioactivity. Super fun. Stuck in this loop of survival mode where you do not even remember your childhood.
But I now know my name, and it's because I'll never live by the pills that you gave
I try to be there, but I'm not there. How bad the poetry was. Wow, that was without any context.
So what's your wish for the future then?
Bigger places, more platforms, yeah. Slowly we're getting there, but we're not there anymore.
But, after all, this is a hip bar in metropolitan Beirut, which surely is not representative for every Lebanese person, which leads us to the question, what are the rest like?
وسكت